Welcome to dear students. Today in this video we'll discuss about the magneto-optical recording. These are the another application of magnetization and it is very simple application. Now what is meant by magneto-optical recording? Magneto-optical recording is a method of storing and retrieving data using a laser and magnet. Storing will be store and retrieving means when the something data will be lost, then data will be again restored in a magneto-optical recording. This magneto-optical recording system, a thin film of magnetic material means, for example, thin film means is thickness will be about in a very few nanometer. For example, amorphous terbium iron cobalt thin film material. Using this thin film material, the film will be coated on that substrate over which data will be written. Means this when, for example, this media of magnetization means this area on which data will be written, then this area will be coated with this material. Material means amorphous terbium iron cobalt material, thin film material. Now next, recording the data means how to record or return the data on a disk. Now when the disk is coated with the thin film material, but initially this is uniformly magnetized, means the magnetic layer side faces towards on the laser beam. Means see in this diagram, the magnetic side faces means this area will be coated with the thin film area. That area will be towards on the laser beam. That area will be towards on the laser beam, and laser beam used to demagnetize a small spot on the film by heating it above critical temperature by distorting the magnetic domains, and local magnetic field determines the direction in which the spot is magnetized when it cools. A relatively weak magnetic field is applied to this region to modify its magnetization. The teeny region that is magnetized is treated as a 1, while the unmagnetized region is treated as a 0. Means, see this diagram. This area will be coated with the film, this area towards on the laser beam. This laser beam used to demagnetize a small spot on the film by heating it above critical temperature by distorting the magnetic domains, and local magnetic field, this magnetic field determines the direction in which the spot is magnetized when it cools. Means, for example, this red area, suppose on in that area the area will be magnetized, that area will be magnetized, then this magnetic field will be measure its magnetization, and at that time this laser beam will be cool. And suppose this green area will be demagnetized area, that area the laser light will be heat that material above its critical temperature, therefore will be distorting the magnetic domains. Clear? Now, a relatively weak magnetic field applied to this region to modify its magnetization. Means, suppose this area will be magnetized area will be treated as a 1, will be written as a 1, two binary numbers 1 and 0. This magnetized area suppose will be magnetized, this area will be magnetized, then treated as a 1, and this green area will be suppose unmagnetized area, then this disk on that disk the written as a data will be written as a 0. Now this is the complete process of the recording or return the data on a disk. Now next, how to read the data will be recorded. Now this data, to read the information on a disk, the disk is scanned by a polarized light from a low power laser. Low power laser beam will be used, and the disk is scanned by the polarized light. Polarized light means the phenomenon of restriction of vibration of light in a particular single direction. And we know that the laser power is a monochromatic source and single source. On that area will be data will be. Now, the laser light is reflected from the surface of the media. Surface of the media means when data will be written on that media, that area, the laser light will be reflected. Its plane of polarization is rotated slightly according to the direction of the magnetic field of the media. means its plane of polarization is rotated slightly according to the direction of the magnetic field of the media. When the laser beam is reflected from the region that are magnetized, it has a certain polarization. Means suppose magnetized area, on that magnetized area means our red color area, that area the laser light is reflected from that region and its polarization in certain direction. And when it is reflected means when laser beam light is reflected from the regions that are unmagnetized area, at which its polarization is reverse due to a Kerr effect. Means when suppose we consider green in diagram, this green area will be unmagnetized region. On that area the laser light will be reflected, but at which its plane of polarization in reverse direction according to Kerr effect. And this red area at a magnetized area, at that area the laser light is reflected, but its plane of polarization in particular direction. Now next, the change in direction of magnetization could be associated with number 0 or 1. Therefore, this technique is useful for storage of binary data. Means magnetized area means, see this diagram. This is magnetized area. This red area will be magnetized area. On that area, the light is reflected and polarization in its particular direction, at which it treated as the data will be 1, read as data will be 1, and green area, at that area light laser light will be reflected, but its plane of polarization in a reverse direction, then the data will be written as a. Next is erasing the data, means remove the data. Now to erase the data, the magnetic field is applied to the material in the opposite direction. The magnetic field is applied to the material, means media, in opposite direction. The focus laser pulse hits the disc above Curie temperature. The focus laser pulse hits the disc above Curie temperature and causes a local heating to demagnetize the surface. The disk is again demagnetized and data is written on in the form of magnetization is erased. I hope will be better understand after watching the video will be better understand the magneto-optical recording method. Thank you for watching and don't forget like the videos and please subscribe my YouTube channel Mr. Dhananjay Bira. Thank you.